charging your mobile phone doesn't have to be boring, bulky, and in fact, it doesn't even need to be so revealing. Now I want to introduce you with the PROXA Wireless charger photo frame. So basically this one is a photo frame, but it also has a built-in wireless charger. So let's unbox this guy and see what is inside. So once we open it up, there is a photo frame. So I'm just gonna open it up right here. So it got a leather feel on the frame right here, and this one here is kind of like a plastic, not glass but plastic. And you can see here you got the dimensions is 6 by 4 inch, so 6 by 4 inch, and it has a wireless charging functions with this photo frame. Now the leather work is beautifully done. It is nice and neat, beautifully cut on the edges. So along the edge here, everything is very nice. At the back here, it has a stand, so you can rest the photo frame on your table. And it has an input of 9 volt, 1.8 amp, and 5 volt, 2 amp. And the output is 1.2 amp maximum, otherwise 5 volt, 1 amp. And you can just unclip this and put a photo in there. There is a charging port right here, so that you can plug into your charger. It comes with a cable, and you also got a replacement clip right here, so in case it gets broken you can replace it with a new one. There's no charger, but there is a charger cable, so you can plug this one into your mobile phone charger. So most likely you already have one charger at home that you can plug into the charger. So here we can open up the clip and put a photo in. There are 4 clips to be opened. And here I can take out this pad, so you cannot take it out. You just put basically just put a photo on top. So you can just put a photo like this. I don't think this one can be placed. Maybe you can place it. You can't really place it horizontal, so it has to be vertical. Okay, so I managed to find a vertical photo, so I'm just gonna place it in here. You can see you can just so I'm just gonna align it right here. So align the photo, and then we're just gonna place it on top. So that's kind of like good. So you might need to play around with it a little bit. So you need to kind of like line them up. You can see it because of the outline, the white border that I have on this photo, so sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to put in. So that's good enough. And then I'm just gonna close it. There's another pin down here, clip, and then you can just plug in your charger cable. So I'm gonna plug in the charger cable into the photo frame. So using this plug right here, we're just gonna plug it in, and then we can have it somewhere on the table, and then we're just gonna bend it over, and so bend it over like that. Now I find this base here, it doesn't go flat all the way, so I guess maybe after a couple of times using it, maybe it will go flat, but at the moment it kind of pushed the frame upwards a little bit. And then we can just place it like that, and we'll start charging. Okay, so here it is. That's the frame. Just put it on, and you can see it's charging immediately. So I'm just gonna take it out, put it on. You can see it's charging right here. Just gonna zoom in. So take it off, and then put it on. That's pretty cool, right? A photo frame with a wireless charger, and you can't even tell this is a wireless charger. So if you put it nice and neat on your bedside table perhaps, then you can just at night time you can just place your phone onto the photo and we'll start charging. So this one here has quite a thick case, and you still can charge it. I've got Samsung Galaxy right here. So that's charging right away. This is the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So just place it on. So it works best maybe just place somewhere in the center. Now again, it's charging on that one. This is the Galaxy S9. So that works straight away. So as soon as I plug, as soon as I put it on, it will start charging. That's really great. Now you can have a phone case up to 5 millimeter thick. So you can see here, this one here, it's quite thick and quite bulky, but it still be able to charge it. So you can see the thickness of the case right here. So this one here is a Pelican case, very thick. So I've put my phone in. I have no problem charging with this wireless photo frame charger. So I can plug it in, and you can see it will start charging straight away. So that's pretty cool. So let's take a look at the back again. So this is the material right here. It feels like leather, matted leather, and it comes in with different colors. You can, let's see at the back here. So you can choose black, pink, blue, and gold. And again, output is a maximum of 1.2 amp. And yeah, so if you want a wireless charger that doesn't look too boring, something looks nice and something that is concealing, maybe it's worth taking a look at this PROXA Wireless charger for the frame. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.